5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Left 3 short, keep in, and right 4 tightens. Into left 4, medium, 30. Square right over bridge and right 2. 40. Left 5, bumpy, 30. Right 5 into left 3, into right 4. 30. Right 4, keep in, and left 4, 30. Hairpin right, into flat right. Come on, let's focus. And right 2 short, into left 2 short, opens. Into left 4 short, into right 4, 80. Hairpin left, don't cut, 80, kinks. Hard brake for hairpin right, don't cut, into left 3 narrows over bridge, 30. Left 3 short, 30. Flat left, 30. Right 4 short, into left 3, don't cut, opens, keep in. Into flat right, 80. Right 3, into flat left, 50. Right 6 short, into flat left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Right 5 into left 3, opens, 30. Left 4 into right 6, hard brake. Into junction, left 3, opens long, don't cut, 30. Right 5, keep in, 30. Left 4 into right 4, brake for hairpin right, 30. I'm okay. You? Oops, not the right route. Left 3, don't cut. Into right 4 tightens, don't cut. Into left 5, 30. Right 3 over crest and left 4, 40 over crest. Right 3 opens, long, keep in. And left 1, don't cut, into right 5. Into crest and right 5, short. Into left 4, short, 40. Right 3 short, don't cut, 100. Right 5, 40. And left 6 tightens 4, into right 4 bumpy, keep in, 40. And square left, don't cut for right 5. 4, 3 in, tightens 3 into right 5, 80. Hairpin right, don't cut, into left 5 long over crest. Into hairpin left, long over junction, don't cut. And right 5 opens, 50. Acute hairpin right, don't cut, into left 5, 30. And left 2, 50. Left 4, don't cut, narrows, 40. Right 5 and left 1, short. Into right 1, don't cut, 30. Chicane right, don't cut, into bump, 40. And left 6 tightens, brake, into right 3 tightens 2, don't cut. And left 6, 40. Left 3, into right 3, don't cut, and brake. For hairpin left, don't cut. Into left 4, keep in, opens, don't cut. Into right 3 tightens, narrows, don't cut. And left 3, keep in, don't cut, and right 4 tightens, 30. Into right 3, tightens. Come on, let's get going again. And crest into right 4, tightens 3. Into left 3, medium, 50 for finish. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 20 hairpin left, into flat right, tightens 4, short. Into left 4, narrows, 30. Acute hairpin right, 30. Pink, 30. Flat left over crest, into right 5, brake. For acute hairpin left. And left 5 tightens, into right 5, narrows, 40. Left 5 short, 30. Nothing broken. Flat right into tunnel, 30. Square right into bridge, and square right, keep middle, into tunnel. left 5, keep into right 4, 30. Kinks, 30. Left 5 narrows, 30. Left 5 short, 50. Right 4 tightens, into left 6, into right 6 tightens, 30. Left 5 very long, 30. Right 3 short and left 3 widens. Hey! Into right 3 narrows, into left 3 and right 4, 50. Right 4 short, into left 3 very long, 30. Flat right tightens 2, 30. Right 4, keep into left 3 short, into right 4. And left 2 short. Into right 4, into left 3 short. Into right 3 short, keep into left 2. Into right 4 tightens 3, into left 2. Into right 3, 30. Left 3 tightens, into right 3 short. Into fast kinks over crest, 50. Left 4 tightens, 80. Right 3, keep into left 5 at junction. Okay, let's carry on. And caution, flat left, tightens 3 over crest. Into right 3, tightens, 50. Flat left, 80. Hairpin left, 100. Right 6, 80. Left 4 into right 4, opens. Quite the shock, wasn't it? Come on, let's focus. Caution, left 4 short over crest, into right 4 tightens 3. And right 4 short, into right 5 short, 50. Caution, brake left 2 short, into right 3 tightens. Into left 2 short. Into right 4 tightens, into left 2 short. And flat right 20. Right 3, don't cut, and left 4, keep in over crest. Let's go again. Into right 5 short and hairpin right, 50. Left 4 into right 4. And left 4, 50. Left 5 short, don't cut, 80. Left 2, small cut, opens, 20. Left 5 tightens 2 after junction, into right 2, don't cut. Into left 2, don't cut, narrows into flat right, 30. Right 3 short, into left 4 tightens. Into right 2, into left 3, don't cut, into right 2. And left 5. And left 4 short, into right 5 over crest, 30. Right 4, 50. Right 4 into left 5, long. Caution, junction left into flat right, 80. Flat left into right 5. Right 4, medium. And left 6 into right 5, opens, 50. Right 4 short, narrows, into left 5 and tunnel, 30. Flat left, keep in, 30. And right 6 tightens 5 into tunnel, 20. Right 6 short 20, flat right into left 6 narrows, 150 for finish. Nothing broken. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're at 150. Three, 2, 1. We're off. 150. Into left 5 long, tightens over bumps 30. And bump into right 4, don't cut 60. Flat left long, tightens 4, keep middle. And left 3, tightens over crest into right 5, 60. Flat right over bump into caution, bump into right 4, short 30. Crest into left 4, opens. And right 3, opens, very long over bumps and over crest, 40. Left 4 off camber, 30. And brake for hairpin left into right 3, long, bumpy, tightens. Come on, let's get going again. And caution, left 5 over jump, opens. Left 4 and flat right long, tightens. And crest into right 5, opens, into jump over crest. Caution, left 5 short, into right 4 through gate. And left 5 over bumps, into right 5 short. And caution, bump into right 3, don't cut, into left 3, don't cut, opens. Are you all right? And right 5 over crest, tightens 3, very long, 30. And left 1, don't cut. And right 4, narrows, into left 5, keep middle. And brake, right 1, tightens, into acute hairpin left, don't cut. And left 3. And right 4, very long, bumpy. And right 4 off camber, don't cut, and flat left over jump 30. Left 5 narrows through gate, tightens 4. And flat right over bump, tightens into left 4, short 80. Crest brake, left 4 tightens, don't cut, into right 3, short. Left 5 tightens, short over crest, into right 3. And flat left into flat right over jump, and left 3 long, 40 over crest. Flat right into left 4, short, don't cut, and right 3 short over crest, 50. Dip and crest into right 5. Into left 3, opens, very long, 150. Into finish. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 20 flat left, tightens 4, wall out, 80, bumpy. Right 4, 80. Right 1, downhill, into canyon, 30. Left 3, narrows, definitely don't cut, 50. Crest into right 4, tightens, short, keep in, 50. Hairpin left, 100. Right 5, 30. Right 5, keep into left 5. Into flat right and left 6, tightens. Brake into right 4 and right 4, tree in. left 6, brake through water. And crest into left 4, tightens, house in. Into right 4, keep in, 30. Get us off here quick, please. Caution, right 3, keep in short and hairpin left, 30. Hairpin right and left 3, keep in. Into right 4, 50. Caution, danger, square left narrows, keep right through gate, 50. Left 1, 80. Right 5, tightens, 4 short into dip. And right 4, keep in and left 4, tightens. And right 5, 50. Left 4 short and right 4 short, tightens, keep in. And left 5 tightens, over crest, 80. Left 5 medium, caution, narrows into right 6, hard brake for hairpin left. Into hairpin right and right 4, keep in, brake. For hairpin left, keep into square right cut, into bridge. And right 3 for hairpin right. Into hairpin left, 30. Fast kinks, 50. Right 5 short. And left 5 tightens and right 4 very narrow. Left 6 short into kinks over crest. Into right 4 over crest, into left 4 don't cut. Into right 4 short narrows. Into left 5 don't cut and right 4 over crest tightens don't cut. Into left 5 short. Into crest brake for square right through water. And caution, square left 100. Right 3 long. And left 5 very narrow into right 4 tightens 20. Left 4 short into right 2 150. Caution, hairpin left 100, bumpy. Flat left into right 5 over crest, into left 3 opens 30. Right 4 short into flat left. And left 6 tightens, 4 short into right 3 long, keep in 50. Left 5, keep into right 3 medium 150. Caution, square left at junction 50. Left 3 medium, keep in, and right 5, 30. Right 5, 80 for finish.